Hello everyone, this is the OMT Help Desk, and in this video we are going to show you how to install the VPN client to connect to the Florida Museum VPN service. First, open a web browser to vpn.ufl.edu. On this page you'll see the Getting the VPN Client section. Click on the GatorLink AnyConnect Client page. You'll need to authenticate using your GatorLink username and password. If you're enrolled in two-factor authentication, you'll need to complete that step as well. Scroll down to the Windows 8, 8.1, and 10 Plus section. You'll need to download both of the files listed there. Once both files are downloaded, go to your downloads. You need to install the files in the correct order. The first one to do is the one that does not contain the word Gina. I'm going to choose to show them in folder just to make it a little easier. So we'll go ahead and double click on the one that does not contain the word Gina. Click Next. You'll need to accept the license agreement, and then click Install. You may be asked for user account control permission. Go ahead and click Yes. This will take a couple seconds to install. When the first one installs, click Finish. Now it's time to run the second file, which does contain the word Gina. Again, just double click on the file, click Next, click Install. Again, the user account control comes up, click Yes, and then click Finish. You'll need to restart your computer before the changes made and the VPN will be available to you. Check out our next video on actually using the VPN.